Happy birthday, Dodo. Dodo? You're 6 months already. Beautiful girl. Calico girl, Dodo. Hi. You have a nice coat. You have a nice cape, Dodo. Huh? Peach, flower peach. Huh? With ruffles. So nice cape of Dodo. Hi. Hi, Dodo. Hi. Hi, little girl. Hi. It's your birthday. It's the birthday of Dodo. 6 months. Okay. You want scratches? You want scratches, Dodo? You want scratches? Another nice cape of Dodo. A red checkered cape with ruffles. Huh? So nice. So nice cape of Dodo. Hi. You have a nice cape, Dodo. You have a nice cape. Happy 6 months. Happy 6 months, beautiful girl. Hi. You want scratches? You want scratches from Mama Kiss? Hi. You missed this one? Have I forgotten to scratch you? Thanks for subscribing our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Kiss, so that you may add up to our 760 subscribers yet. Thank you for hitting the notification bell so that you will be notified on our future vlogs. Thank you for liking and sharing this video and making and sending encouraging comments. Thank you to all the precious people all over the world. Dodo, what happened to your cape? What happened to your cape? Hi. Hi, you have a nice cape, Dodo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, what's happened? Is wearing another beautiful cape. A blue one with ruffles. The birthday girl. Eating some dried cat food. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy 6 months, Dodo. Dodo. Hi. Say thank you for watching my birthday video. Hi. Oh, another one is coming, greeting happy birthday, Dodo. That's Frank. Where are you going? You're going down? Dodo, hi. Happy birthday, Dodo! Why are you smelling Uncle Jade?